Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can find wallet address on Bybit app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bybit app and already verified yourself as well. And now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bybit apps on in the screen. So now if you want to find the wallet address on Bybit app, then you can see there is assets option at the bottom right corner of this dashboard, which is distinguishable by its wallet icon. So let's tap on that wallet icon, and now let's tap on the deposit for now, so which is at the left side of the withdraw. So once you tap on the deposit, you can see there is three options in here. So first one is buy with NPR, another one is P2P trading, and last one is deposit crypto. So if you want to find the wallet address, then just tap on the deposit crypto. And now let's say I want to find the wallet address of the USDT. So let's choose the USDT, or you can also choose any of the crypto wallet address by tapping on the search bar. So let me tap on USDT for now. And now you can see there is lots of network in here. So let me choose BSC, which basically means Binance Smart Chain BEP20. So if I tap in here, let me first OK, and let me close this one. And in this section you will be able to find your wallet address successfully. So you can see it is written deposit address is currently not available, which basically means in my region the Bybit is not available for now. So basically this is how, and in this section you will be able to find the wallet address on Bybit app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay up to date with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.